Hi everybody, welcome to our Cloudist session episode number 3, where we will discuss the simplicity in our self-service portal. My name is Jasenko and I'm the business unit manager at Cloudist Solutions. And today with me, I have Robert Rink, who will act as a potential partner or service provider. So Robert, for those of you who hasn't seen, or for those people that haven't seen the previous episodes, please introduce yourself.
Sure. My name is Robert Brink. I'm working as a cloud architect at Cloudist Solutions. And as you said, for this demo, I will act as the partner.
Awesome. So just, this episode will be about simplicity and how we make service providers' day-to-day work easier. So we'll go through our self-service portal and have a short demo and look at our services, but also on how partner can manage customers in a very, very easy and smooth way. So I suggest we jump right into it.
Yeah, sure.
All right, everybody. So we're now logging as a demo partner into our partner portal. And as you can see, I have a partner status that is bronze today. This is only because it's a demo. I don't have any monthly revenue, but here will your monthly revenue will reflect here, and you will also see the discount percentage that you are liable as a partner. The first thing you would like to do is obviously to kind of brand the portal into your own. So under the partner menu and appearance, you can upload your logo to be visible here. And you can also change the colors in the portal to match your graphical profile, whatever that might be.
So I can basically white label the portal to my own then.
Exactly. The next thing you might want to do before you start delivering services is to add your terms and conditions and also the personal data law policy to be visible for your end customers when they log in, when you let them to, when you add customers to the portal and you want them to buy services from you as a service provider, they need to approve your legal documents.
Okay.
Looking into adding a customer under invitations, you can send invitations to customer with a link where they can fill in their details, but you can also add a customer directly into the portal by adding their organization number, their customer name, and all the company details. And once you create them, the customers will end up under your switch customer view. So as you can see here, I have today 3 customers. I have Slutkund 1 AB, Slutkund 2 AB, and Slutkund 3 AB. This is just a temporary demo end customers. But if I would like to switch and manage one of my end customer services, I can just choose any customer here. And as you can see, we're right now managing this particular customer.
Okay, cool.
So if we switch on our services that we deliver in the portal, we're right now handling and managing this customer's services.
Okay.
With a few clicks, you can just jump right back to your organization and manage your own services. You can also switch to a third customer or a second, or hopefully your list will be long.
Definitely.
Yeah. Settings is just the regular settings. There's the general settings about your company, your account. You can add multiple users. You can also set the rights to users, which rights they should have in the portal. You can also see your invoices. We have a pretty good knowledge base, I would say, where we have a lot of our most frequently asked questions, a lot of instructions on how you can set up your services, how you manage your settings and stuff like that. So let's jump into the services that we deliver in the portal. And as you can see, we're offering virtual data center, Microsoft 365, Azure, S3 storage, and Cloud Connect. I was thinking that we could just quickly have a look on S3 storage.
Sure. What's the major use case for an S3 bucket then? How can I sell that to my customers?
So S3 is a traditional object storage platform, and that could be used for many reasons. But one of the most popular reasons that we have seen with our partners and customers is archiving, long-term archiving. We've seen it as offloading a primary storage, backup repository to offload your backups, and many more stuff.
Okay.
But simple and quickly here, the S3, when you log in here, what you do is you create obviously your bucket. You choose a bucket name. For example, let's take a test, a quota. I need 1,000 gigs, which is 1 terabyte. And I can choose how long retention I want to have. I'll choose 10 days in this specific case. And I can also enable metadata search if I want. So let's try to create a bucket. There we go. The bucket is visible. I can see the owner. I can also see how much I have used, and also the cost per day. Traditionally, partners and customers, they choose different applications to copy the files to, but we are suggesting here the S3 browser that you can download and start using the service.
Okay, simple enough.
Yeah, it is. And obviously, if you're running one of the major backup applications like Cohesity or Veeam or any of those, you could very simple connect the S3 bucket directly into your application. All right, so I was thinking that we could have a look on how you can manage your customer services. Does that make sense?
Absolutely. That's the most interesting part of this, I'd say.
Perfect. So let's have a look on how I would manage a customer's service. So in this case, I would like to switch to, let's choose number 2 here, customer number 2. And I'm interested of selling a virtual data center to this specific customer. As you can see, I don't have any data center right now, so a VDC. So let's create a VDC. In this case, we'll just do a test one. We don't want any firewalls, nothing specific. We'll create that VDC. Takes a few minutes, it says, but this goes pretty fast. So there we go. The VDC is set up. And what I would like to do now is obviously start creating maybe my firewalls, my network, and creating virtual machines. And I can do that by logging into VDC.
But basically, we are now ready to get this customer going.
Yes, you are. So your VDC is set. Just click in and start creating your virtual machines.
Okay.
So let's choose customer number 3, for example. This specific customer, you want to deliver Office 365 licenses. I already have a one Exchange Online in this specific case. I can see the price. I can also suspend the license, or in this case, we want to add 4 new employees or 3 new employees. We haven't assigned any license yet, but we want to add 4 licenses to this specific account. So we'll hit the update. Okay.
So I could go about to use them the second after you click the update button, basically.
More or less instantly, you could use the license. It takes a few seconds. Let's have a look at it, because I have the Exchange Online. This is the one license we had previously. We'll hit the update. And there we go. 4 licenses available.
Okay.
Same thing.
Yeah, that's super easy.
And all of our services are charged on a day-to-day basis. So if you want to go down to 2, change that, you'll just be charged for 2, and that will be visible in your portal as well.
Okay. Super.
Perfect. All right. So let's jump back to our own organization as a service provider. And let's say that we want to do a backup copy of our on-prem service that we have, Veeam service, Veeam backup solution. So we'll go to Cloud Connect. We'll hit the enable service.
Does this require any specific licenses for me as a service provider?
No, it doesn't. This is if you're renting licenses today, this is free of charge, so there's no license cost. And if you have perpetual license, or your end customer has perpetual license, you you're charged for a small license per VM that you're backing up, basically.
Okay. And am I limited in any way? I mean, will I need to ask for more capacity when my need is growing, or is that scaled automatically?
So this specific service is scaled fully automated, which means that there's no quotas, there's no disk size, specific disk size for your specific organization. This will grow as you grow, and you pay only for what you use for.
And all of the charges for these services, is that included in my partner status?
Yes, they are. Everything except for Microsoft 365, because that's a service that we deliver as a add-on service for you to be able to handle everything from a one-stop shop. So there is basically no win for us in that specific service. So everything except for the licenses is included in the partner status.
Okay.
But as you can see here, I have enabled the Cloud Connect service. So right now, I don't have any jobs running, obviously. We haven't configured that in our Veeam on-prem. But you have your endpoint, the port you should use, and also the authentication. There's an article, but basically your credentials in the portal is the ones you can use in your Veeam installation and start using this service.
Okay.
In any service, whatever it might be, whenever you feel that you're ready, if customer has decided to try something else, it's just to disable the service. Once you disable it, you're not getting charged anymore. There's no long-term contracts or any of those specific. We don't want to keep you as a partner or a customer in our contracts, basically. You're free as a bird once you're done.
Okay, sounds good. Sounds very flexible. I can basically start when I'm ready to deploy services for my customer and grow as they go. And I guess I can leave when I'm done then, since there are no contracts committing me either.
Correct.
Good. Yeah, and I see that I, as a partner, can manage my customers and all their services, and I guess that's without your involvement, basically.
And that's the whole point. I mean, we try to take care of the infrastructure, and you as a partner add value to your customers by managing their operating systems, their applications, their monitoring, and stuff like that. So we will continuously work to add more services to our portal, and so that you can basically deliver the modern digital solutions to your end customer.
That's really interesting. Yeah, I'm looking forward to seeing more service releases that'll come, I guess.
Great. Yeah, me too. So, well, basically that was it for today. And Robert, thanks a lot for your time. Thanks to everyone also that was watching, and please hit thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe if you liked it, to help us deliver more content for you. Have a good one.